Hello beautiful people, Brian here, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you guys this action that I created for cleaning up your seamless paper backdrop. It makes cleaning up seamless paper backdrop really easy. Like, it will take you about 30 seconds to 1 minute to clean up your seamless paper backdrop using this action. Like, I'm really excited to share it with you guys for free. Like, it's absolutely free. So I'm going to walk you guys through how to set up the action and use it. It's like really fast. So let's just get started. First thing is, after you download the action, I'll leave a link to the action down there in the description section. So just check down there, just below the like button. So click on the like button as you are going to download the action. This is the action. Just double click on it and it will install in Photoshop. I'll just right click and choose open, and it will load up. Yeah, it has loaded up in Photoshop, so it is now installed. I'll just go up to Window, Actions. I should see it here, brianumoh's background cleanup action. This is the one at the bottom. So this is the action. Just leave it there first. Let's treat the background and get it ready for the cleanup. Let me show you how fast it could be. So I'll select the subject, and all I have to do is to click on the action. Just click on play. Click on OK. 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 And one final OK. And boom, our background is clean. It's beautiful. So we moved from this to this in just 30 seconds. This is the action. Just leave it there first. Let's treat the background and get it ready for the cleanup. So the first thing I always advise anybody to do is just to duplicate your background layer. In case you mess up, you can always go back. Then, since we have this top of the background showing at the top of this image, we'll just get rid of it. To do that, we'll just make a selection around that portion. Then we'll use the content aware fill to fill it up. So to use the content aware fill, click on Shift Delete. It will bring up this window, choose content aware and click on OK. It will fix that part. If you have an issue like this in your backdrop, we all have tall people that we photograph once in a while. So just wait for that to do its job. It won't take too long, depending on the laptop you're using. Okay, now it's done. Next thing is, if you have like a tear or a big stain, just use your patch tool and make a selection around it, take it somewhere clean, and boom, your background is ready for the action. Before you use the action, you have to make a selection of the subject. So just use like the quick selection tool. At the top here, you see select subject, click on it, and it will make a selection of your subject. If you don't select subject, then you're probably using a very old version of Photoshop. So I would advise you update or you do the selection manually, but it's important you have a good selection of your subject. So don't be shy to zoom in and check if it made a good selection. For this image, it made a good selection except for some parts like this shoulder here. So I'll just use my polygon lasso tool to add that portion. Doesn't have to be like 100% perfect. I'll just add that too. I'll come over to this side. It did the same thing, so I'll just add that. You see, most of our time is just in selection. Just like that, and we are good. Like, we have a good selection of the subjects. This is where you now use the action. So you come to the action, click on the brianumoh background cleanup. This is the play button. Just click on this play button and it will start the process. There will be a pop-up. The first one will be the expand selection. So this is to help you, sometimes you may not make a very good selection, so you might want to expand it so that you don't lose some of your age, the age of your subjects. So this is it. I normally use 3. You can use any number depending on how bad your selection was. So mine was pretty good, so I'll use 3. Then I want to feather that edge, so it will also pop up this feather. I'll always choose 2 because I don't want to have a hard edge. Now, if you know, like, you don't even have to input this number. If you just click on OK, it will do it. Like, to just use the default numbers that are inserted and it will still work fine. So click on OK, and then it will do the magic. Boom, the background is cleaned up. So it will bring up this Gaussian blur menu. It gives you that control so you can adjust how much blur you want. So let's say you want a lot of blur, 200, like here is okay. If you want less blur, you can input 100 or 50. The number is in, like, the ball is in your court. Input the number that makes the background look the best to you, and 200 is okay for me. I'll just click on OK. The next thing it will do is to add noise. You know, after the whole blurring, you might see some banding, so it will add noise to reduce the banding or eliminate it completely. So another thing that the noise does is to add some texture to the background. So the radius here is 4. If 4 is not good for you, you can increase it or you can reduce it. Me, 4 is a very perfect number, so I'll just leave it like that and click on OK, and boom, we are good. Like, we've moved from here to here in just 30 seconds. Isn't that wonderful? And I'm giving you guys this action for free, so you don't even have to pay. Just go down to the description box, download it, click on the thumbs up button. And if you have any question, like if you don't understand how the whole process is done, I made a longer video. It was my previous video. It's about 20 minutes long. It explains the whole process and everything. If you want to learn how to manually do it, go to that video, learn everything there. But this action like takes away the stress and all that and just does everything for you. So that's it for this video. I feel we should even do it again. So let's just do it one more time without the delay. Let me show you how fast it could be. So I'll select the subject, and all I have to do is to click on the action. Just click on play, click on OK, 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 and one final OK, and boom, our background is clean. It's beautiful. So we moved from this to this in just 30 seconds. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on other awesome video in future. See you guys in the next one.